Pictory AI is a tool that lets you quickly and easily create videos. Just upload a script, article, blog post, or visuals, and Pictory will transform it into a professional video with just a few clicks. With Pictory, you can create YouTube videos, vertical shorts, and reels for social media. You can also create educational videos and training videos for use in a corporate setting. And you can repurpose existing written content to create videos for your website, blog, training materials, and emails. With the Pictory free trial, you can create 3 videos up to 10 minutes each. I'll include a free trial link in the description below. If you upgrade to a paid plan, you can create longer videos and export them in higher resolution. Here are the prices at the time of this recording. These prices are for the annual plan, but they also offer monthly plans for only a few dollars more. The Pictory plans are a pretty good deal, especially since they include the Storyblocks library of videos, images, and music. Normally, Storyblocks runs about $30 a month, so getting access to all of these assets for only $19 a month is pretty awesome. Plus, if you use my coupon code, you can save even more money. After you click the free trial link in the description below, you're eligible to use my discount code for 20% off any Pictory plan. Just enter the code Kimberly20 when you check out.